Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change profile picture on YouTube. So let's start. First of all, if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. First of all, I am here in new YouTube channel. On the top right, you'll find this create icon. Tap on it, then go to upload video. Then a pop-up will appear, then close this. Now over here, you'll find this customize. Tap on this customize and go to this branding. Then over here you can see picture, your profile picture. Now to change it, first of all remove the existing one. You can see here profile picture is removed. Then upload the one which you want. Now I am uploading this one. Okay, you can see here this is new profile pic which I want to keep in my channel. Now what I'll do is go to done. Then over here you can see our profile picture is changed. Now simply click on this publish. Yeah, you can see here our profile picture is changed. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.